Hi, I'm Naomi, and I have just completed the 7 day fresh start. So I started it because I had fallen into a bit of a rut. I'd had a broken foot and I'd had shingles, and I was feeling quite run down, and I was getting into some bad habits. So I was probably eating too many crisps that my kids had, and I was eating too many ice creams, and I was feeling bloated and sluggish and uncomfortable. So I knew I needed something to kickstart me into the healthier patterns. So I started the 7 day fresh start, and I really enjoyed it. The matcha tea is delicious. It's great. It keeps you feeling full for a long time while you're fasting. I really enjoyed the golden renewal protein shake as well. My bit of advice for that is put some ice in it because it's really nice cold. Um, and overall, I didn't find it difficult to complete. I actually found it really enjoyable. And the results afterwards, I definitely felt lighter. I felt less bloated. I was sleeping better. I felt more focused and able to get on with my work. It was a really enjoyable experience, and I'm really glad I did it. And so I finished 2 days ago, and since then I've been able to really focus on a healthy way of life that um, I know I need to do. So it's really helped kickstart that for me, and I highly recommend it.